Alright, today we're making something a little bit special. KFC style fried chicken in the air fryer. Look at that, golden, crispy chicken fresh out the air fryer, proper crunchy coating on the outside, and when you cut into it, beautiful juicy chicken on the inside. And yes, today we're using the legendary 11 secret herbs and spices, the recipe that was supposedly leaked back in 2016 by Joe Ledington, Colonel Sanders' nephew, claiming he found it handwritten in a family scrapbook. Right, let's get cooking. First up, I've got a chopping board here with chicken thighs and chicken drums. You can use either, but both work brilliantly in the air fryer. Grab yourself a bowl and add the chicken straight in. Now we're going to pour over 1 cup of buttermilk, that's about 240 milliliters. Now buttermilk is actually the leftover liquid from churning butter, but it works wonders for chicken. It tenderizes the meat, keeping it juicy, and it gives the chicken a slightly sticky surface which helps the coating stick later on, which means crispier chicken, so don't skip this bit. Cover the bowl with cling film and pop it in the fridge for at least an hour, but overnight is even better if you've got the time. Now while that's marinating, let's make the famous coating. In a large bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of plain white flour, that's about 240 grams. Next up, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now KFC don't actually use cornstarch, but because we're cooking in an air fryer rather than a pressure fryer, the cornstarch helps absorb the moisture and gives us a lovely crispy crunch. Give that a quick stir, and now it's time for those famous 11 herbs and spices. First up on the board we have 2/3 of a tablespoon of salt. Next is half a tablespoon of thyme, then half a tablespoon of basil, followed by half a tablespoon of oregano. Next we have 1 tablespoon of dried mustard, then 1 tablespoon of celery salt. Next up, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, then the big one, 4 tablespoons of paprika, and after that 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. Next, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, and finally 3 tablespoons of white pepper. And there they are, the famous 11 herbs and spices. Now we add them into the flour mixture one by one. Salt, thyme, basil, oregano, mustard, celery salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic salt, ginger and white pepper, and give everything a really good stir until it's nicely combined. Now let's coat that chicken. Take the chicken out of the buttermilk and place it straight into the flour mixture. Now here's a fun little detail. KFC says their chicken gets 7 coats of seasoning. That works about 14 turns of the flour mixture, so we're going to do the same thing. Turn the chicken 14 times so it gets a really thick proper coating. Make sure every bit of the chicken is nicely covered. Now let's get the air fryer ready. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius, a total of 23 minutes. That's 5 minutes for preheating and 18 minutes to cook the chicken. Once the air fryer is preheated, add the chicken pieces into the basket. My air fryer is fairly small, so I'm cooking 2 pieces at a time. You want a bit more space around them so the hot air can circulate. If you see any gaps in the coating, just sprinkle a little extra flour mixture over the top. Perfect. Close the air fryer and let it cook. About halfway through the cooking time, open it up and flip the chicken over so it cooks evenly on both sides. Then close it again and let it finish. Once the 18 minutes are up, we'll check the chicken is cooked. You can cut into it to make sure that there's no pink meat, or use a food thermometer like I've got here. The internal temperature should be at least 74 degrees Celsius, and that means we're done. Look at that, beautiful golden air fryer fried chicken. Let's cut one open. Oh yes, perfectly cooked, juicy chicken with that crispy spiced crust. Absolutely brilliant. Serve it up with your favourite sides and you're good to go. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next one.